How to unsave pins on Pinterest. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. Here, you will find quick and easy tutorial videos on a diverse range of topics. In today's video, I will show you how to unsave pins from Pinterest. To get started, first open your Pinterest app or the website. This is your homepage. Below, you can see various icons. There, click on the profile icon on the left. Below, select the pins. Here, these are the saved pins. Unsaved pins means delete the pin. For that, long press on the selected pin. After that, this option will pop up. Without taking off your finger, slide it to that pencil icon. Then, it will take you to this space. Here, you can see delete this pin. After clicking on it, it will ask you if you really want to delete it or not. Once you delete it, you won't be able to get it